Understanding sklearn calibrated classifier. Hi all, I am having trouble understanding how to use the output of sklearn.calibration.CalibratedClassifier. I have calibrated my binary classifier using this method, and results are greatly improved. However, I am not sure how to interpret the results. Sklearn guide states that, after calibration, the output of predict_proba method can be directly interpreted as a confidence level. For instance, a well-calibrated, binary, classifier should classify the samples such that among the samples to which it gave a predict_proba value close to 0.8, approximately 80% actually belong to the positive class. Now I would like to reduce false positive by applying a cutoff at 0.6 for the model to predict label true. Without the calibration, I would have simply used my _model.predict_proba.6. However, it seems that after calibration the meaning of predict_proba has changed, so I am not sure if I can do that anymore. From a quick testing, it seems that predict and predict_proba follow the same logic I would expect before calibration. The output of is the following, where everything that has a probability of above 0.5 gets to be classified as true, and everything below 0.5 is false. Can you confirm that, after calibration, I can still use predict_proba to apply a different cutoff to identify my labels? 2. This URL.
For me, you can actually use predict_proba after calibration to apply a different cutoff. What happens within class calibrated classifier, as you noticed, is effectively that the output of predict is based on the output of predict_proba. See here for reference, ienp.argmax self.predict_proba_x, axis equals 1, equals self.predictx. On the other side, for the non-calibrated classifier that you're passing to calibrated classifier, depending on whether it is a probabilistic classifier or not, the above equality may or may not hold. For example, it does not for an SVC classifier. See here, for instance, for some other details on this.